Good evening from here in London. So we've just seen the closing bell on Wall Street and we saw equities finish in minor negative territory for the day. Nasdaq, they're underperforming out the three. A lot of this was on some fairly poor US housing data, and we also saw some mixed DOE inventory data as well. There was also a bit of profit taking on Apple shares following some stellar performance last night. They saw a little bit of weakness in their shares today, coming off their excessive highs over that 400 level. So we've just seen some aftermarket earnings. We saw Qualcomm report. They had a beat on their earnings and their revenue, and they also boosted their forecast. American Express also had a beat on their EPS and revenue. The big numbers coming from Intel. They had their EPS come in at 54 cents against an expectation of 51, so a decent beat there. They had a beat on their revenue as well. Both Intel and eBay were both positive. eBay shares up 3% aftermarket after they beat on their EPS and revenue and boosted their full year 2011 forecast. Intel shares up around 2% aftermarket. So looking forward to tomorrow, we have UK retail sales data coming out at 9:30 London time. Out of the US in the afternoon, we have the initial jobless claims data as well as that Philly Fed number. Also worth looking out for is the EU summit. So there is a loose expectation time around 1 o'clock London time for that information. That's it from us for the evening. We'll see you again tomorrow.